I started off by moisturizing my hair, and I used my leave-in treatment alongside with my coconut oil. So you can use any leave-in treatment of your choice, okay, and that applies to the coconut oil as well. Okay, the reason why I'm using leave-in treatment in my hair is just to moisturize it and also to make it soft and easy to work with. So you can always, you really don't have to like straighten your natural hair anytime you want to do some twists or braids. I started off by sectioning the front part of my hair from ear to ear, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. Okay, so right about now we're going to start parting the back part of our hair. So I'll be using my Bamsi Wax to help me to clean out my parts and also to make the parts look clean and precise. Okay, so guys, for parting your hair, you want to use a comb that is sharp enough. So I'll be using my Ratail Comb to help me part my hair. On to our first part, I'm just sectioning it, and then I'll just go over with my wax. Okay, and then I'm going to apply it onto where we parted our hair, and then after which I'll just go ahead again and take my comb, go in between just to make my my part look neat and all that. And mind you guys, we didn't straighten our hair, and like I told you earlier, you don't really have to straighten your hair, especially if you're that person who love doing hairstyle every now and then you don't have to straighten your hair, even if you want to part your hair just like the way I'm doing. For the first row, we're going to have 3 boxes, okay, just like you can see in the video. So I'm just sectioning out the boxes, making sure that they are clean enough for my liking, and then I'm going to use my elastic band to secure the hair. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jena Tingo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. So if you're just bumping onto this channel for the very first time, please subscribe for this and many more hair tutorials. And if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below. So guys, as you all are noticing, my section are big because I wanted my I wanted to do some big braids, but you can choose to do the same braiding pattern even if you want to do some small twists or braids. Okay, so it depends with the how big or small you want your twists or braids to be. So for me, I just wanted something quick, something that will not take me so much of my time, and that is why I opted to I opted to go for some big parts. Okay, just like you can see in the video. For the second row, we're going to have 4 boxes. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair right from the middle, just like you can see in the video, because the first row we don't have the middle part, so the second row will have the middle part. Okay, so after sectioning my hair, I'll go in again and take my wax just to clean the section. We're going to have 2 boxes on each section. Okay, so I'm doing a brick layered method. So guys, in case you're wondering how I'm able to see my hair from the back, so I have 2 mirrors. Okay, so I've just placed them in a way that I'm able to see what I'm doing at the back side of my hair. So if you want to section your hair, braid your hair or anything, you need to have 2 mirrors, and it will make your work very easy and seamless. Now that we're done with the second row, let's head over and make these individual boxes, and you're going to see just continue watching the video, because these individual boxes that I'm going to make on each side is going to join the 4th row. So I'm just making individual boxes on the right side of my hair, and also I'm going to do the same on the left side of my hair. So continue watching, and you guys are going to see exactly what I mean by these individual boxes forming the 4th row. So right about now, we're just sectioning the 3rd row. Okay, just like so. And then after sectioning again, I will go in again with my wax, apply it onto where we did the section, and then after that we're going to clean it out. And then at this particular on this 3rd row, we're going to have 3 boxes of which you guys are going to see. So I'll just let this video play, and so that you guys can see and understand exactly what I am doing. So guys, now we are on to our fourth row. So we're going to split it into two, just like so. Then we're going to, clean it out with our wax. Okay, so after that, we're going to secure that with an elastic rubber band on both sides. So that is why I told you that on the fourth row, we're going to have like a 4 parts. So if you count, the one that we made the individual boxes plus these two, that makes 4 section. Guys, we are done parting the back side of our hair. Now on to the front section. So I'm going to start by just combing my hair, okay, and then after that I'll take my Ratail comb, part the hair into two, just like so, and then I will go in again with my wax just to clean out the part. I will divide that again into two, just like you can see in the video, guys, and then after that I'll take my my hair tie and I'm going to secure one side of my hair, and then we're going to work with the other side. Okay, we're going to have 5 boxes on each side of my hair, so this is the part where I'm going to just let the video play so that you guys can follow along and see exactly how I did this 5 section on each side of my hair. Okay, and I'm really hoping that this video was helpful to you in one way or another, and if it it helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share to your friends and family, and I will truly appreciate all your support here, guys. And this was basically it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now and take care.